Scientific name and common name. Common name cat. Scientific name Felidae. Domestic cats are among the most popular pets in the world, known for their affectionate nature and ability to adapt to human environments, natural habit and geographic distribution. Domestic cats do not have a specific natural habitat, as they have adapted to human environments. They can be found in 1. Urban areas. Cats often live in homes as pets, where they have access to food and shelter. 2. Rural areas. In rural settings, cats are commonly used to control pet populations like rodents. 3. Forests and open areas. Wild cats such as Felidae or a European wildcat can be found in forests, grasslands, and open areas worldwide, particularly in Europe, Asia, and Africa. Unique physical characteristics. Cats possess various physical traits that distinguish them. Size. Domestic cats typically stand 23 to 25 centimeters tall and measure 46 to 48 centimeters in length. Their weight varies between 3 to 6 kilograms, depending on breed and condition. Coat color. Cats exhibit a wide range of coat colors, including black, white, gray, brown, and various patterns such as tabby or striped, and calico or mixed colors. Body structure. Cats have a slender body with strong muscles. Their sharp claws can retract to aid in hunting and climbing. Behavioral patterns. Cats display a variety of integrating behavioral patterns. Diet. Cats are obligate carnivora, meaning they require meat in their diet. They hunt small prey such as mice, birds, and insects. Hunting techniques. Cats utilize skilled hunting techniques. They often stalk their prey quietly before pouncing to catch it. They are also known to play with their prey before delivering a fatal bite. Social interaction. Cats can be solitary or social animals. Many domestic cats form strong bonds with their owners and can interact well with other pets. They communicate through vocalizations, purring or meowing, body language, tail movements, and pheromones. Role in the ecosystems. Cats play an important role in the ecosystem. Predators. As predators, cats help control population of small animals like rodents and insects. This is essential for maintaining the balance of its ecosystem. Trade of wildlife outside homes. Domestic cats can pose a threat to local wildlife. They often hunt native species that are not accustomed to this type of predator, which can lead to declines in wildlife populations. Conservation status. Domestic cats or Felidae are not endangered due to their large and widespread populations. However, several wildcat species face serious threats. Wildcats or Prionylurus bengalensis. This species is threatened by habitat loss due to deforestation and hunting. Flat-headed cat or Prionylurus paniceps. This is a rare species that is threatened by habitat loss and poaching. Conservation organizations are working to protect this species through habitat protection efforts and populations recovery